I want to get you the latest in the developing story that's unfolding here in Mumbai, with the Narcotics Control Bureau now issuing fresh summons, with more stars coming under the NCP's radar, and of course, the investigation in the Bollywood drug link has now further widened. Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor are the ones who've been asked to present themselves in front of the NCB in the next 3 days. I've got two reporters tracking the story for us, bringing us the details of what happened, how did the investigation reach this stage, what is it that the NCP is looking at. Mayuresh and Alok joining me right now. First up, let's go across to Mayuresh for latest on-ground information. Mayuresh, I understand even as we speak, some of the teams of NCP are actually moving across Mumbai city trying to deliver these summons.
Absolutely, Tanvi. And one such team had already reached at Sara Ali Khan's home to hand over that summons. And as you said that, yes, if you could see this entire sequence, how did the names came, or how NCB has reached to these A-star Bollywood actors or actresses. They started with the drug peddlers. First, they picked up the small-time drug peddlers. From them, they got the information. Then they got the big ones after confessing, or after having their confessional statement. Now they have reached to the Bollywood stars, because see, NCB is one of such agency which will not call anyone just like that, because they must be having some concrete evidence, some concrete links, some concrete information in their hand. On the basis of that only, they have called they have summoned all these Bollywood actresses. So, as I said, that they nabbed these drug peddlers. After that, they basically questioned the managers or the talent managers, and after that, after their confessional statement, or after the information from their interrogation, now they have finally sent the summons to all these big stars, including Shraddha Kapoor, Deepika Padukone, and Sara Ali Khan.
Okay, in fact, let me also bring in Alok. Alok, so far they've had some of the managers of these celebrities, these talent managers, a part of a company who were under the radar, who were being questioned. Is that how they have, now reached the doorstep of the big celebs? Help us join the dots. What is it that you're picking up from your sources?
Well, Tanvi, there are two persons, basically Jaya Shah and Karishma. These are the two persons who are basically connected to that company, which is a talent hunt company, talent manager hunt company. And these persons were connected to this company. And when they were called for questioning, in their questioning, they revealed the name of these Bollywood stars to which they were connected to. In fact, one of the conversation which the Narcotics Control Bureau has found out from Karishma's phone, in which that Deepika Padukone is found to be asking about the drugs from Karishma. And that is what, and this chat is of around 2017. So there are various chats which the Narcotics Control Bureau has got from the mobile phone of these persons, and also from their statements which they have given before Narcotics Control Bureau. That is also very much crucial. On the basis of all these things, now these persons, these are the Bollywood stars, now being asked to appear before the Narcotics Control Bureau. In fact, tomorrow, Rakul Preet Singh, who is one of the Bollywood star, who is Bollywood actress, she has to appear before Narcotics Control Bureau around 11:30, and after that, on 25th of September, Deepika Padukone, and then Sara and Shraddha on 26th. So definitely, the coming 3 days are going to be very much crucial as far as the Bollywood is concerned. But remember, Narcotics Control Bureau, which is investigating Sushant Singh Rajput's death case, how it is connected to the drug cartel is connected to Sushant Singh death case, and also the narcotics, the whole nexus is working in the Bollywood. That is also being investigated by the Narcotics Control Bureau. So they are working on both the aspect. But as of now, their network and they have widened their investigation, and in that way they are working on it. As of now, in the coming days, what we are getting to know, many people or other persons who might be involved in this cartel, their names will be coming out, and then they likely to be summoned, as Deepika Padukone and others have already been summoned. Back to you.
Yes, in fact, Alok, you've been saying it from day one, from the day the NCB team landed in Mumbai, to begin the investigation basis what the Enforcement Directorate had said, that they will be actually expanding the scope of this investigation. It's not simply going to be about Riya Chakrabarti and, whatever possible drugs she was buying or distributing or consuming, but they will look at a larger, Bollywood drug angle, and that's what's happening right now. One by one, these stars are being summoned. Alok says there will maybe more in the list. Very quickly, Mayuresh, has there been any response from these teams? How is the NCB going to, question them? Will they all have to come personally to the NCB office, or will there be any other option available?
No, they have to come exactly where right now I'm standing at Gateway of India. There is behind me, you can see, that's the NCB guest house where NCB officials are staying. So we have been given to understand that for tomorrow, as Alok said, that Prakulpreet Singh and Simran Kambata, who have been summoned, they have to come here exactly on the second floor of this building where NCB has created their office. In that office, there will be a kind of a questioning, as NCB is expecting that the questioning will start somewhere around 11:30, 12 noon, where Prakulpreet Singh will be asked questions based on the chats which NCB has recovered from the phones, as well as Alok said, that the statement which Jaya Shah, also Dhruv and few other people who had earlier came here and they have recorded regarding the involvement of the Bollywood celebrities in the drug nexus or in the drug link. So on the basis of that, they will be asked them questions.
All right, so we're going to be keeping a very close track of this investigation and where it goes from here. Tomorrow already, like you heard, a series of these stars will have to come to NCB office, and then subsequently Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor and Deepika Padukone. Thank you so much, Alok and Mayuresh, for joining us and bringing us these updates on this big developing story.